Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about travelling abroad with film. I'm just going to give you my few top tips on making sure that you look after your film, keep it in the best condition possible, and therefore get the best images possible from your trip, whether that's a holiday, whether it's a trip specifically for photography, or whether it's a job. Now my first tip is make sure you never put film in your hold luggage. All hold luggage goes through much stronger scanners than you will go through at passport control, and this can have a really negative impact on the quality of undeveloped film, especially those at higher ISOs that are more sensitive to light. If you do have to put your film in your hold luggage, if you've got no other option, then what I would suggest is investing in a lead-lined bag to put your film in. This isn't guaranteed to protect it from the scanners, but it's going to give it the best shot possible. These can be found on Amazon for sort of £20–30, and it's definitely a solid investment if you do have to put your film in your hold luggage. So make sure you're taking that film with you through passport control, and if it does have to be scanned in your hand luggage, at least it's going to go through a much weaker scanner than it would if it was in the hold, meaning less chance of damaging your film. However, my next tip is to prep your film, and what I mean by this is have it out of as much packaging as possible. So for your 35mm, have it in the little canisters. For your medium format, have it in the individual wrapping that each roll goes into. Have this in a plastic bag. Find somebody and ask if the film can be hand checked. Now, they don't have to hand check it, but more often than not, if you have it prepped, if you have it in a clear plastic bag, and most importantly, if you're polite and nice and ask for it, please, to be checked, more often than not, they will do. Now, sometimes they'll only check film of a certain ISO and above. So for example, when I recently went to San Francisco, they would only hand check rolls that were above ISO 200, but even that is better than it all going through the scanner. And my final tip is, wherever possible, see if you can actually buy film in the place that you're going to. So do some research, see if you can find places that sell film, places that develop film, because if you can buy your film there and get your film developed there, then you don't run the risk of taking undeveloped film through the airport whatsoever. But most importantly, make sure that you have got some film with you, document where you've been, and enjoy your pictures. That's everything from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.